Everyone, welcome to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. I have a set here. I know the holidays are over, but I want this set for next Christmas, and it makes a great set just to display all year long. It's a beautiful set. It's an icon set. It's Santa's Post Office. It's set number 10339, 18 plus set, 1,440 pieces. It is 10 bags and a very small sticker sheet. Runs $99.99. Here's your bags, all 10 of them. And then we have 5. And there's 10. And here's your small sticker sheet. Not much, just a few decorations on the set. Most of it's colored. I'm not sure how many are actually printed parts, but that's where we're at. It's a really nice looking set. I wanted to get this for Christmas, but I missed out on it, and I figured I'd get it this time and go ahead and build it. We'll put it on the channel. Let's just see how it comes together. I hope you'll stick with me, even though this is not something you might not put out for several months yet. You will put it out eventually. It's a fun set to build, I believe, and we'll take it a step at a time. I'll come back after each bag or two and show you the progress, and if there's any issues along the way, which I don't think there will be, being a Lego set, but it's going to be a nice set. We'll give this a go, so let's get on it and get it started, and I'll be back and show you the progress shortly. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm through bags 1 and 2 on Santa's Post Office. This is an icon set number 10339, 18 plus, 1,440 pieces. I know this is a holiday set, however, I wanted to build this now and have it ready for the end of the year, or you could just display it all year long. It's a beautiful set and a pretty good deal at $99.99 for 1,440 pieces. That's a great deal. So here we are through the first 2 bags. This is the manual we used for the first 2. This built up all the smaller accessories around the post office. As you can see, we have a Christmas tree built up. We have 1 elf on a sled delivering packages. We have 2 carts with letters in them, which I believe will be filled with more accessories very soon. We have a pond with a seal and a letter. We have another elf minifigure with a sign, 3 signs actually. And we have the toy dispenser machine that will put the toys into these carts, red and green carts. So that's where we're at so far with the first 2 bags. We will now move on to bag 3, which is right here. We did use a couple stickers for the signs. As you can see, there's just a few left. Not too many stickers in this set, but it's a very, very, very colorful set, as you can see. Very beautiful. Nice set. This will make a great decoration, like I said, all year long or through the holidays. Here's the next manual we have to go to. This will start on bag 3, and we'll be back after we do bags 3 and 4. There's 10 bags total, and this should be a nice set. Great set when we're done. Thank you for coming along. I really appreciate it. Again, I know this is a holiday set, but a lot of us will build it up for the holiday when we come around to the next Christmas season. However, it can be displayed in many different ways, and it's a really beautiful set. So thanks for coming along. I really do appreciate it, and we will be back after the next 2 bags to give you a progress report. Thanks so much for watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's the progress through bag 4. We're starting on bag 5, as you can see. And here's bag 5. A little bit of the structure. Here's where we are so far. This is through, like I said, bag 4. A lot of the interior on this side has been built up. This is the area where Santa sits. You can see on the left, that's his list. And he's got a little candle there. And he's got a letter off to his left. And that's going to be his chair that he sits in. And we're building up some more of the other side here, as you can see. And as we turn this, starting to build up a chimney area here, fireplace. And moving on down. So not a lot to see yet, but this is only through bag 4, so we'll be back with more. There was another minifigure that was built up, which is no other than Santa. And there he is. So we'll move on to bag 5 and 6, and we'll get back to you with a progress report after we're done there. And you can see how this is progressing along. Thanks so much for coming along, and we'll be back after the next 2 bags. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. Here we are through 6 bags out of 10. We're going to be moving on to bag 7. Here's bag 7. No stickers have been used at all in the last couple bags. We still have all the accessories waiting to be added to this set that are all built up from the first 2 bags. We have a small pile of extra parts, and seems in this set there were actually quite a few extra parts, but the set's coming along just fine. All the parts fit well. Everything looks great. Here's where we are after 6 bags. You can see that's the whole front section, and then behind, this will be the interior. We've built up the ramps for the toys that go up to a balloon, which will be installed shortly. Here's the front door, the section here. This is a staging area for the packages. And here's Santa's area right here. This is where Santa sits with his lists. And all this will be built up on top. We do still have the roofs put on, plus there's another section on top of this, the main section, that'll have an area inside, as well as the roof line, of course, which still has to all be built up. So that's where we're at right now. Looks great. Parts are fitting well. No problems at all. And it's a very colorful, really highly detailed set. This will make a great display. Just a fantastic display. And you can see how those ramps from the balloon up here come down a chute, down another chute, to down here. So this should be a lot of fun to finish. And we got 4 more bags, and we'll be there before you know it. We'll be done with this set. So I hope you're enjoying the review so far. And if you have any questions, or if you built this set, I'd sure like to hear from you. Leave it in the comments. And I know it's a holiday set, but this can be displayed all year long. It's that beautiful. And of course, at the holidays as well. So thanks for watching. Much appreciated. And we'll be back after bag 8. Thanks so much for watching. Hi, and welcome back. This is RP from the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Okay, we're through bag number 8. We're starting on bag number 9. Here's the manual. By the way, the manual's been very easy to follow. It's an excellent manual. Worked very, very well. The manual before this took care of the small accessories, as I mentioned before, which are going to be added to the set when the main section here is complete. So we have bag 9 laid out, ready to go. Quite a few spare parts. This set has a lot of small decorative parts And these are all the extras, which is not unusual. Lego gives a lot of extra parts in these small piece sets like this that have a lot of decoration. They give you a lot of extra pieces. I assume they're figuring you're going to lose some parts along the way. We have not, of course. Okay, here's the build so far on the Santa's Post Office through bag 8. As you can see, it's built up quite a bit from my last check-in, and we put roofs on. We have all the decoration in the front completed. We have this top section for the roof, which is not yet installed. That will be installed very shortly. I believe this bag will install the roof. Over here we have the full chimney installed now with decorations. We have a snowman and some more decoration on the base plate. As we go across, this is the front entrance right here. I don't know if I can get this around far enough you can see it. On the interior, we're pretty much the same. Not too much change in the interior. This has mainly been the exterior. There's the chutes to put the packages down. And that's Santa's area there again. So, it's coming along quite nicely. This section up here was completely built on the very top, a loft up on top. So, very colorful, beautiful set. This not only is a holiday set, this is a set that you could put out any day of the week. It's just very, very beautiful. Gone together very well. The parts are excellent quality. Everything's fit great. So we'll be on to bag number 9 and 10, and I'll be back with the completed set, and I'll give you a final review of this set with all the details. So thanks so much for following along with me. I really, really appreciate it. If you're liking this, please subscribe. I love it when you subscribe. It really helps me a lot. I enjoy it when you do. It just helps me to know that you appreciate what I'm doing here. And if you do, please do that. Like also, and share if you think this could help somebody else. So thanks so much again. Follow along, and we'll be back. Hi everyone. RP Price from the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. This is the completion of Santa's Post Office. This is set number 10339, 1,440 pieces. This was a fun set to build, a real fun set to build. And yes, I know it's a holiday set. However, with this beauty and detail and color, this makes a great year-round set to display. And of course, add it to your holiday collection as well, which Lego has several holiday collection pieces that you can build. But this one is just excellent. I've always wanted this one. And although it's not during the holiday, a little past the holiday, this is still a great set to have and to build. A little difficult at places to build. So many small pieces to this set. Not a whole lot of large pieces, except in the roof tiles. But beyond that, it's just been a lot of fun to build this, and it came together very, very nicely. On the manual, this is the main manual. You have, here's your parts count. Quite a few pieces here, 1,440 pieces. And as you can see, the parts are very small, very small, many of them. Very few stickers to this set. I believe it was a total of 6 stickers made the entire set. And that was just for the sign post mainly, and a few bricks, but not very many. Very, very minimal on the stickers. This is the main set. Then you have a secondary manual right here. This was for all the accessory pieces on the side, and for a couple minifigures as well. As you can see, here is your sticker sheet. That's all there was. Not too many. Very nice. The set itself is really, really beautiful. It's 5 minifigures. There's your signpost with a minifigure elf. Here's the main entrance with another minifigure elf. One on a snowmobile here. delivering packages around the complex. 2 package carts to move them around, green and red. The main section is right here. All 3 of the roofs come off. This one, and then the section over here with the chimney. You have a snowman. You do have a fireplace, a lamp on the side. Here's your Christmas tree. And you have a pond over here with, it looks like a white seal with a letter being delivered. Really, really nice set. Over here you have the balloon with package tray that slides down. There's multiple trays as I get this set turned around. The balloon is just beautiful. It does have 1 light brick. The light's right here. You just push this up here. There's 1 pin, and that lights up. And you have an elf inside the balloon basket. As we move these out of the way, I'll turn the entire set around so you can see the interior. Right here. Here's the ramps I spoke of for the packages to come down. The back side of the balloon. Right here. And here's the interior. Nicely detailed. You have a refreshment center there. A seating area with coffee cups. There's Santa. It's the main entrance here. As we go up, there's a loft with a lot of detail in that loft. Right there. And here's Santa's seating position, his office right here with a to-do list right there. And a letter from most likely a child to Santa as to what they want. And as we come up, just a really, really beautiful set. Very nice looking set. So this is one that was a lot of fun to build. All of these come off. And it just makes a beautiful, beautiful set. Very colorful. Very, very beautiful set. So this is definitely one I would consider any time of the year. From a value standpoint, this set is excellent from a value standpoint because it has a $99.99 price tag for 1,440 pieces, which is just excellent. Normally 10 cents a piece is pretty typical for Lego, but this one's far lower than that. And to make a beautiful set like this, and one you'll have ready for the holidays when you're ready to display it, or display it all year long, this makes a beautiful, beautiful collection. So do consider this. I had fun building this. Took a little time because there's so many small pieces to this, but once you have it together, it's just striking to look at. It's just beautiful. So I would consider this one, especially for that price. It's really a good buy, I think. And its display quality is excellent, just excellent. So here's a good one for you. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, or share if you're so inclined. I really appreciate your subscriptions. It really means I'm performing right here, and I really appreciate that. My goal here is to help you. That's what I'm trying to do. Display these, show them being built and various stages through the build, and to help you if I encounter any defects along the way or part problems along the way. So this is mainly to help you, and I very much enjoy doing that. So thanks so much for watching and coming along. I really appreciate it, and we'll be back with a review very shortly. Thanks so much.